Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Jayasuriya Madhwani here. Today we are going to learn about present continuous tense. In last videos we learned present, past and the future tense. So today we will be learning present continuous tense and after that past continuous tense and future continuous tense. So we can say the series of the continuous tense is going to be start today. So first we will learn present continuous tense. Before we learn the structure and the formation, we must understand the definition, the meaning of the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense actually tells us about the work which is in the process or the work is still going on, we can say. Present means right now, continuous means the work is going on or the work is in the process, and the tense means time. Tense actually tells us about the time. Continuous means going on and present means right now. So that was the meaning or the definition we can say of the present continuous tense. So now we'll be starting with the formation and the structure. Again in the same way, same format, new tense. So the structure of the present continuous tense is subject plus helping verb plus ing form. Ing form of the ing form word plus object. Now what is ing form? Ing form or the fourth form of the main verb. That means we have to use the fourth form of the main verb or the ing form. Ing form like teach, teaching. This is the fourth form of the word teach as well, and ing form we can say both are the same things. Ing form teach, teaching, play, playing, drink, drinking, sing, singing, drive, driving, like that. So we have to use the ing form of the main verb along with the helping verb. So what are the helping verb of the present continuous tense? Three helping verbs of the present continuous tense. I am going to write down here. Is, am and are. Is, am, are. So I am going to write down a sentence for your, what to say. For the example, I can say that Jay is taking tea. Jay is taking tea. This is the simple sentence of the present continuous tense. We have to identify a subject, helping verb, ing form, and the object. You can see there, take, taking. Okay. So the subject is Jay. Plus the helping verb is ing form, taking, and the object is tea. Jay is taking tea. This is the simple sentence of the present continuous tense. Okay. Now we have to understand where we have to use is, am, and are. For the beginners, I am going to write down here where we can use is, am, and are. Okay. With the different kinds of subjects, I'll explain for the beginners who really don't know that where we have to use is, am, and are. So we have to use am. I am going. I am playing. Okay. He, she, it, he, she, it, or any kind of name we can say, any noun, any singular noun or name. I'm going to write down here again, J. We have to use is. With I, we have to use am, he, she, it, or any name we have to use is, we, they. We have to use are. Okay. And with the plural like boys, girls, okay, teachers, we have to use are as well. So Jay is taking tea. You can see I am, he, she, it, or any name we have to use is, we, they, we have to use are. Okay. So subject plus helping verb, ing form, and the object. This is the structure of the simple present continuous tense. Now for the interrogative sentence of the present continuous tense, and the structure will be like that: helping verb plus subject plus same the ing form of the verb and object question mark. Okay, so the helping verb is subject J, and the ing form of the verb or the fourth form, and the verb is taking, object is T question mark. Okay, is J taking T? Is I am teaching? Is am I playing? Okay, am I playing? Sorry. Is J taking T? So this is the structure of the interrogative sentence of the present continuous tense. Now the negative sentence, and the structure of the negative sentence is subject plus helping verb plus not plus ing form verb plus object. So the subject is J, the helping verb is use of not, and the main verb is taking and T. J is not taking T. So let me check again. Simple sentence is J is taking T, and the structure is subject plus helping verb, main verb's fourth form or the ing form of the main verb, and the object. For the interrogative sentence, helping verb, subject, ing form of the verb, and the object. Is J taking T? That is the interrogative sentence of the present continuous tense. Now the negative sentence is subject plus helping verb, not, ing form, and the object. J is not taking T. Okay, so this is the complete structure and the formation of the present continuous tense. In the starting of the video, I told you the definition of the sentence. This is the easiest and the best way. If you will see, if you will watch, if you will learn with the concentration, then you can definitely understand all the tenses. I hope you like my videos and the way I am teaching. If you have any kind of questions and queries, you can comment it, and I will try to reply to all comments and your question. Stay connected, like my channel, subscribe कीजिए, comment कीजिए और share कीजिए. Thank you very much.